VIPER is the most recognized name in vehicle security. This comes from over 40 years of industry-leading innovation, and we've raised the bar once again with the 5908V. This remote start and security system features the most user-friendly and customizable remote ever made. Stay tuned to learn more about it. Let's take a look at what comes in the box of our 5908V. First off, we've got our control module. The remotes that come with the system are a 7957V two-way color LCD remote with up to 1 mile range and a 7657V one-way 5-button remote. A 6-tone siren, an impact sensor, an antenna with an integrated valet button and LED, wiring harnesses, a quick reference install guide for your installer, and an owner's quick reference card with a QR code to access the full owner's guide online. All right, let's go over the features of the 5908V. A two-way LCD color display for remote start confirmation and alarm paging. Starter interrupt for vehicle theft prevention. Flashing parking lights when sending commands. Ignition control door locks. 4 auxiliary outputs. For smartphone control, you can add on our VIPER Smart Start Pro and a limited lifetime warranty when professionally installed. To learn more about this cutting-edge remote, check out viper.com or see an authorized dealer near you.